Have you ever seen a plant that looks like it's been artistically braided and is also believed to bring luck and prosperity? Well, this beautiful plant is my new addition, the Pachira, also known as the lucky money tree. And today I'm going to share everything you need to know to keep it healthy, bushy, and thriving in your home. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Green Thumbs Guide. If you love unique indoor plants, then this one is definitely going to catch your attention. This is my Pachira plant, and what makes it so special is its braided stem, which is actually created by intervening multiple young stems together. It gives such a classy and decorative look, perfect for living rooms, balconies, or even office spaces. The Pachira plant is commonly known as money tree and is believed to bring good luck, wealth, and positive energy. It's a very popular indoor plant across the world, especially in Feng Shui. It has glossy green leaves, a neat structure, and the best part, it's quite low maintenance, which makes it beginner friendly. So, if you are just starting your plant journey, this is a great choice. So, now let's start with light. Pachira loves bright indirect sunlight. Place it near a window where it gets good light, but avoid harsh direct afternoon sun, especially in Indian summers. Too much direct sun can burn the leaves, while too little light can make the plants leggy and weak. So, balance is the key. Now comes the most important part, that is watering. Pachira does not like overwatering at all. Always check the topsoil. If it feels dry, then water thoroughly. Make sure the pot has proper drainage because waterlogging can lead to root rot. In general, watering once in every 5 to 7 days works well, but always adjust based on your climate. Remember, underwatering is always better than overwatering for this plant. Now about soil mix. For soil, Pachira needs well draining mix. You know all plants actually loves well draining mix. Pachira is not an exception. It also loves this. So you can use a combination of garden soil, coco peat, perlite and sand. This ensures the roots stay healthy and don't sit in water. I think if you are watching my videos regularly, I made a video about a soil mix, so I'll give a link in the I box. So check that out. Now about fertilizer. During the growing season, which is spring and summer, you can feed your Pachira once a month with the balanced liquid fertilizer. Avoid over fertilizing as it can damage the roots. In winter, reduce or completely stop feeding. Now about pruning and shaping. If you want your plant to look fuller and bushier, pruning is very important. Trim leggy or overgrown branches. This encourages new growth and keeps the plant compact and beautiful. Also, remove any yellow or damaged leaves regularly. Then your plant will look lush and green. Now about braided stem care. Now let's talk about the most unique feature of this plant, the braided stem. This braid is usually done when the plant is young. As it grows, the stems thicken and hold the shape. Avoid disturbing or separating the braid. Just ensure the plant is healthy and the structure will remain intact. Now about common mistakes. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. One is overwatering. If you overwater this plant, it will die. You can see its stems also hold some water because this is a bit fleshy. So always avoid overwatering. Now if you keep this in plant in very low light, then also it will not grow and it will eventually die. So keep it in a bright indirect light. If you use a heavy soil without drainage, then definitely this plant will die, because this plant required a very porous soil so it can spread its root, and also it doesn't like to water on its root. So avoid heavy soil. And also don't ignore yellow leaves, because it will unnecessary looks your plant bad, and also it will eventually faint some diseases. So whenever you find any yellow leaves, just cut it off. If you avoid these, your Pachira will thrive beautifully. So this was my beautiful Pachira plant, my new green addition, elegant, easy to care for, and full of positive vibes. If you are looking for a stylish indoor plant, this is definitely a must-have. Let me know in the comments. Do you already have a money tree, or are you planning to get one? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Green Thumbs Guide for more plant care tips. See you in the next video. Bye till then.